Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 29. What is the name of the new scheme announced under Redevelopment Drive of Ministry of Railways? Options: Atmanirbhar Bharat Station Scheme, Amrut Bharat Station Scheme, Bharat Rail Station Scheme, Atal Station Scheme. Let's look into the answer. The Ministry of Railways has formulated a new scheme to modernize over 1,000 small stations over the coming years. Amrut Bharat Station Scheme is a part of its station redevelopment drive. The key features of the proposed stations include provisions for rooftop plazas, longer platforms, ballastless tracks, and 5G connectivity. So, the right answer for this question is option B, Amrut Bharat Station Scheme. And here is another question for you. Sitiveni Rabuka has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.